Ron, very interesting to be here at Provada, the Dutch market out in force. What are some of the kind of trends that you're seeing here?
Well, of course, there are some concerns about the transaction side of the market. However, I think there is a positive force on ESG because impact investing is on top of mind. And next to decarbonisation, we're also trying to underwrite the social impact. So therefore, a lot of appetite on senior living and healthcare real estate as an asset class. We're also deep diving on affordable housing. And I think also investors are searching for collaboration. So you see much more in-depth collaboration between social housing, municipalities, and also from a technological point of view, we see a lot of innovations. And that's, I think, well, quite representative also for the Dutch market, where we try to innovate.
Yeah, and it's been interesting, the discussion around cooperation, collaboration that you mentioned there. Conversations I've had have also been around that topic of introducing more institutional, outside, international capital into the Dutch market. And very interesting to have seen the big focus in terms of senior housing and healthcare, especially with new members here as well.
Yeah, great. We were running a breakfast session and I think it's lovely to see that we've had new members like Woonzorg Nederland and BPD, but also 7Ages, who are also a front runner in a different way of creating, well, short-term facilities for older adults. And it's also contributing to a variety in the family, because we have a variety between operators, investors, but also more entrepreneurs. So I'm really proud to see an ongoing growth of this family with outreaching impact, and already looking forward to our summit in Brussels, where we do a deep dive also in the political discussion about aging and also how we can create sustainable communities. And that really takes an interconnected conversation between all the stakeholders involved.
And just the sheer, volume of work to be done and the opportunity here is interesting. I think it's almost 1 million houses that need to be built and 300,000 of those in senior living.
Yeah, for sure, we just started. And I think it's also about creating willingness of movement. A lot of seniors have a lot of capital in place, like equity in their own houses. So it's about creating sustainable cities where we try to get a movement and also create a little bit of mix between rental products and also ownership of housing for elderly people. And I think, the mismatch is quite big at the moment. So we have an underlying, we need to build a lot of proper facilities for seniors. And it also takes a little bit of a different approach of infrastructure, because it's also about mobility, it's about resilient cities. So it's not only on the asset level, and it's fairly interesting to see. Yeah.
Great, really interesting to catch up and also get a sense of how the market is feeling here at Provada in Amsterdam. Thanks, Ron.
Sure, great.